Are you in the travel industry, racking your brain on how to kickstart your travel business? My name is Dean Parman, and I'd like to invite you to join our live masterclass on YouTube. This free session is for travel industry professionals that want to take full control of their inbound marketing potential. For most of us in the travel industry, the lockdown continues. Restrictions, lack of flights, and closed borders are a reality that many of us still have to contend with. But tourism is not dead, and now is the time to prepare for the inevitable return of travel. There has never been a greater need for original travel video content. Travel videos spark the imagination and wanderlust of those waiting on the edge of their couches. Travel will make a comeback, and where will you be? Your destination and your business has a golden opportunity right now to create original video content. So, dear tour agents, tourist guides, tour operators, and destination marketing organizations, join our free masterclass on YouTube Live this week. We will teach you how to get around the cost of video production, how to build an automated content machine, and give you practical tips to get started right away. There is no better time to get acquainted with travel video solutions than right now. Click on the link to get access to the masterclass. No email, no sign up, just get straight to the solution, because that is what it's all about at Travelvids.tv. Film, teach, create. We'll see you in class.